Hey everybody, it's Dr. McVeary here with another unboxing video for you. Man, only I had a knife to open this box. Let's find out. Ooh, what's going to be in here? I think this could have helped solve my problem. What we have is a bench-made Griptillian, an American-made blade. Nice hardened steel made from powder. Made in USA, I think actually out in Oregon. And I have pretty much only, I don't have that many knives in my lives. I would rather take care of them and use sharpening stones than buy new blades. Still have my buck knife from, I think, 18. A couple Leathermans because I was a stagehand and you always have to have a multi-use tool on you. Those went through a little bit, but I think I still have the ones that I was given as a graduation present from some of the students that I worked with. And I have still that Leatherman, but this is my last, everyday kind of blade broke knife. So this is the Griptillian. And let's go and quickly check this out. So here it is. It's got a good feel. It's slightly bigger than a normal pocket knife, about 8 inches, a little bit over. The blade length itself is just shy of 3.5 inches, and I do prefer the serrated back. I know a lot of folks with drop point blades. Some might like a straight blade, but I do a lot of rope cutting or dealing with ropes with boating and fishing and camping, so I do prefer to go with the serrated edge. The blade steel, like I was saying, it's something called CPM S30V, and it's fancy pants saying of a really good knife steel made here in the USA. It is powder based. I did go with the black matte finish on the blade. Overall, it's got a good feel, a good weight. I think it clocks in just shy of 4 ounces, maybe 3.8, so I do like the weight. The belt clip, and this is what broke off of my, the belt clip, this is what broke off of my last blade. Looks pretty sturdy, so I'm excited about that. I mean, I pretty much have always worn one since I was a kid, so if anything, it's usually the buckles that break on me, but it looks like these are replaceable with a couple screws. So let's check out some of the cutting motions. Ooh, I really like the feel. I probably should treat the blade first, but I'll just do a couple quick ones just to kind of get the feel. It's a nice, I really kind of like the weight of that. Nice balance. The grip, my hand fits right in. And right here, this little thumb pad grip here, I really like that bit of functionality. Overall, this is a super great blade. I'm excited to just have it. It looks nice, it feels good, and it's I'm just going back, just glad to have a trusty knife at my side again, because the buck knife is a little too big, a little too bulky, and with the multi-purpose tool, sometimes a single purpose serves a purpose. So I like just having a good, solid construction knife. The lock mechanism has this axis lock. It's pretty strong. I like it. It closes right up. And again, folks, that was the Benchmade Griptillian. Benchmade has a lot more other knives, and many of them are designed by the same designer, Merle Perdue. So I do recommend that you highly check them out. But this is kind of their entry-level daily driver, and I highly recommend it.